Yes, I think we are right, live. Yeah. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So, namaste. Let me share my screen. Let's start today's crypto session. Hopefully, my screen is visible, right? So, guys, I have to inform you that I have updated this application, this paperweight.com. Now, you can just visit this paperweight.com in the description box. And I have added two more coins. This one is Binance and another is gold. So this is cryptocurrency and this is commodity. Okay. Now you have five options to trade in, and that's very good. Uh, because if we have more options, then we can see more opportunities and try to make a most out of it. Right now, so let's see Bitcoin first. Um, I'm just seeing that I am live or not. Um, yes, I'm live. Okay. So this 4 hour, as you can see that in 4 hour time frame, the market is in lower lows for past couple of days. Now, what market is doing? Market is taking a pullback, and it is reached at this point where there is a more number of sellers. Selling zone is there, right? So but as you can see that the momentum, the pullback momentum is quite high. There's you can see that at 4 hour interval, that the 4 hour is very big time in frame, where you can see the healthy candles in upside, right? So my take is also that market if it have such momentum, it can break the these existing sellers and try to make a move in the up direction. But if there is a big player over here, and he wants, or he or she wants to save its stop loss, then it might make a u-turn also. So we have to be cautious here, because this candle is making a dozy candle. We can just see that how much time is left to close this candle. It's still 1 hour and 40 minutes, almost this 4 hour interval. So it almost closed 2 hours. And after 2 hours, this is forming a dozy candle. So this is perfectly visible that the presence of sellers is there, right? So we have to be a bit cautious, because this might trap in the shorter time frame, because in shorter time frame you can see there is a channel moving, like rejection from here, and the buyers that pushing in the upside. So let's see what is happening in shorter time frame. As you can see, this is 1 hour time frame, and market is in higher highs. So at shorter time frame, you can see that market is taking a pullback, and it has EMA at 15 minutes. Let's see what is happening at 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is below EMA, and you can just see this uh, horizontal line that I drawn is for the 4 hour interval, and the 4 hour interval you can see market is in selling zone, selling side, right? So you can just see that. Okay, but selling didn't happen. So there might be a chance that market with this much of momentum can move in the up direction as well. But we have to be a bit cautious here how to trade in the uh, forthcoming future. Now let's see what is happening at Ethereum. I think Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these cryptocurrencies almost moves the same. So it's 4 hour interval. As you can see that the market is in higher highs. Definitely, we will trade in the up direction only because the momentum is quite high. Uh, if it crosses this EMA, then we can trade in the downward direction. Otherwise, we will trade in the up direction only. So it's quite clear in the 4 hour interval that we are in the bullish side. Now let's we have to be very cautious that how we are going to trade in the shorter time frame because it made a double top and because from this also market fall, from this type also market fall, but there is a buyer's area that is preventing to fall extremely high down. So this market is respecting this zone, this green zone. Let me mark it as a green. In Sol USDT, we can see that at 4 hour interval, the same cryptocurrency almost moves the same, guys. So moving average exponential. So Solana is moving in, taking a pullback, extreme pullback. This might make if this candle closes down, then there might be a chances that it will definitely fall till here. So let's see how it will go. Let's see what is happening at Binance. In Binance, you can see that Binance is quite aggressively going up. So there is opportunity in Binance that we can take and try to punch the order because this is a pullback, and this pullback, after this pullback there might be a chance that market move in the up direction again. So we can take the advantage of that also. Don't worry, guys. I'm drinking water only. Okay. So at 4 hour interval, Binance is quite high. So let's see and find the opportunity that we can get in shorter time frame. Let's see what is happening at gold. So this is for the first time we are trading in gold because this is first time I included gold in this application. Gold is very good commodity that you can trade in. It moves. It has lots of volatility. Lots of people invest their amount in gold. So we can see that. Oh, crazy! Gold is crazy, moving in higher highs, guys. There is no pullback, nothing at all. So there is a quite a good opportunity that if we take trade, then just close your eyes and take trade in the upside. If you are trading in the swing trading, like for weeks or days or months, you just buy and leave it. You will definitely earn money. So at 15 minutes frame, we can see that market is making a buying zone over here. So this is quite a strong buying zone for the past couple of minutes. And we can also trade in such setup. So one thing that I can see that there are little bit of selling area here. If it crosses this area comfortably, then we are uh, in the bullish side in the gold. But as of now, there is no such trade. Okay. So as you can see, why to use this application? This is demo trading application, guys. Here you can, if you punch your trades, then you can backtrace your trades as well. Your basically you can track your progress, that how you are performing on a daily basis, on monthly basis, and on overall. So this is my overall streak, and I'm performing quite badly, guys. So I have to call around 69 trades, and this is profitable trades, and I lost in 47 trades. So this is very worst ratio, and after that I have lost a lot also. So $1,729 last. Let me show you some of my history as well. So last couple of days were not incredible. So this is the losing streak that I am having for quite a few days. So there is a long time that I haven't seen a big profit in my on my table. So on January 21, I got this big profit out of today's 28. In 7 days, I haven't seen a big profit yet. But I'm today I haven't took any trade yet. So I'm still looking for my setup. And one more thing that I will show you, this analytics page. So when you go to this page, you can see that you your monthly basis chart, that how you're performing in on the monthly basis. So this is January month. I took 17 trading days. Out of the 7 are profitable and 10 are in loss. So this is the overall loss of my January. And this these are my 66 trades that I took in January, and 22 out of them, 44 out of them, uh, are loose and profitable trades. So let's give some time to this goal to make some counter some price action, and if we find our setup, then we can definitely jump in. Right now there is no setup at all, and if we jump in, we will definitely lose money. So it's this is very quite crisp and clear that where you have to uh, punch our trade, where we don't have to punch our trade. So this has to be uh, a rule book, because for the past couple of days I am losing a really good amount of money just because of this, because I'm unnecessary buying selling, because I took already almost 7 trades um, in R, and that is quite huge. Because if first trade went in loss, then you get a revenge mindset, right? Then you try to take revenge, or you can't you try to uh, take recover your losses, but this doesn't happen, and you lose this money eventually. Okay, so Bitcoin is falling. there is no such reason to fall because just because of this blue line. There are sellers, but that seller has to be magnanimous in order to show their presence. So this is not market will not fall suddenly. That's for sure. It has lots of uh, support like here, here, here. Then it has to make some kind of movement. Uh, So you can see that Bitcoin is falling, but as you can see, there's this is a great sign that this red candles already wiped out all these buyers. So right now, as you can see, this 15 minute, there is a bit of panicness going on. Like what is happening, guys? Suddenly, market is reversed, and is it going to continue the fall? This candle is very important. This how this candle will close. It will close in 30 seconds, 30 minutes, sorry. Then how it's going to close, so it's very important. And still you can see that at 1 hour interval also there is quite support as well. So it is quite difficult to break suddenly, but if it gradually breaks, then that's another story. And in Solana and Ethereum, you can just see that um, there's a buying coming from this buying zone. So we will also be interested, but we have to see that uh, is this EMA going to give a tough time or not. So still, it is not a good trade to trade on because this is still um, in the zone only. Like you can see that this is the zone only. That's the channel that market is moving this upside and side downs. And so we have to see that if we are able to take that trade or not. Solana is quite bullish, guys. If anyone wants to jump in, they can jump in the upside. So although like market is quite unpredictable right now because this is in choppy range, and I don't want to give my money in this choppy range because I have already burned my hair, burnt my hands for past couple of days, and I don't want to burn them again. So let's see what is happening at Binance. Binance is at support zone again. So let's see if Binance crosses this 50% of this leg. Right now is 38%, almost at 38%. Then we are interested. Then I am interested in going up. But as of now, then it is quite hard to say that in which direction market is going to move. So let's jump back to gold. Guys, for God's sake, don't get trapped in this selling, a little bit of selling zone. The market is quite bullish, guys, quite bullish. It's just testing your patience in the buying direction. So save your money to trade. I'm just doing one thing, then I will resume again. Hopefully my screen is visible again. Okay, so I already told you this. This is fooling us, guys. Don't get trapped in this selling, because after this you can just see that how the market is moving in the up direction, right? So let's wait for this candle to close, then we will take the opportunity to trade in the up direction as well. Crazy candle. This is crazy candle, guys. Let's see how it will close. The closing is very important. If this closes in here, like, then it already wiped out all the sellers. Now the presence of buyers is there only. So the dominance of buyers will take the market in the direction. But the important point is that it has to close in the up direction. Great closing, guys. 30 more seconds. So this candle's great, guys. Great. One of the best candle I have seen after quite some time. Bitcoin is falling, and but I don't feel this red candle is real movement in the downward direction. Although, like, this is the first leg, then there is a pullback, then there is a third leg is going on. If it closes here, then I might be interested, because it will definitely eat all the stop losses. But it's quite early to say. At any momentum, market can take a reverse, because this is quite great candle that closed. If this is a false breakout, then definitely n number of buyers is going to trap, guys. Let's see how gold is closed. I am definitely punch my buying order here at the high of this candle, of this current candle only. Just thought, just think, just thought it about the about the punching order, and then market is just started closing in the downward direction. So okay, all right, but I'm not that much interested in selling. If this is a trap, guys, then I don't know how many sellers are going to trap by this candle, because in Ethereum you can see this is the buying zone that Ethereum is trading right now, and these Ethereum Bitcoin supports each other, if you ask me. But Solana is not in support. So Bitcoin has fallen a lot. Sorry, Binance have fallen a lot. It has already fallen around 1.25. Great, great, great move, guys. I'm just seeing the what does my stop loss look like. Oh my god, this is no 80 points is all right. 80 points, right? Because I'm buying 10 lot. 10 lot means 50,000. 50,000 amount I needed, but my stop loss looks like only 3 pips, 3 points. So 30 points only. So 30 points is quite okay, right? You can take the risk. So that's what I'm talking, that Ethereum is on at this support zone, and Bitcoin is at selling zone. So this is counter acting at each other, and Binance was also at. So there is a trend line break in Binance. We should have traded here only, but now let's see if it is. Candle closed very badly in that 15 minutes, guys. Very bad candle. I'm taking a risk in Bitcoin. So I took a risk. Let's see where I jumped in. 89660. Short position 89660. What is 660 means? 660 somewhere here. So this is my order. See the I didn't like the stop loss because, and I will definitely stop here only. No more Maya, just small trade. Yeah, let's. Okay, there is a breakdown in Ethereum also. Binance fall very badly. I think we had captured the good trade. We will not take any loss. I'm just 83 is the maximum loss that we can take in this trade, and we will definitely wait for our target. Falling very beautifully, guys. Let's see what is happening at gold. We can see the profit loss here also. So it's not okay. It is reversing from $200. Now it is 104. Okay, so in Ethereum we can see that there is a false breakout, and yeah, just closing this position because there might be a trap or so this is a trapping candle. So let's jump in. Let's wait for this stand candle to close, because if there is a buyers that is active and they're trying to trapping all the sellers, then we can get a momentum in our up direction also. We'll punch our trade here. We can see that there is a trade in gold also. So if we jump with 20 quantity, okay, insufficient funds, 10 quantity. Okay, we jumped with 10 quantity in gold. Let me see what my position is. 5280. So we have purchased at long position. 5280, 5280, wait, 8, somewhere here we are. Extreme sorry guys, this is some important call is there. That's why I jumped back. Okay, so Bitcoin is giving another chance in downward direction. Okay, we didn't have funds. I've shorted 4.4. What is my 89638? 89638. 638. This one. Stop loss is very minimal. $20 only. And my target is this. Let's focus on two trades. So I have punched two trades. And one more thing that I have to show you is this subscription plan. If you go in the subscription plan, and you can find it. I have let's fetch. Let's. It is taking quite some time in fetching things. Why so? Okay, so it already took a stop loss. I'm just cutting off my trade because it took a stop loss, and I don't want to continue in the. Let's see what is happening at Ethereum. We will go in the buying direction from here, and let's see what is happening at gold. So this is my advanced plan, and in advanced plan you can see that I have took 15 trades out of 500, and this is one simultaneous trade. So I want to show you the two trades that I'm doing simultaneously, but it's fine. So gold. Okay, what happened, bro? Why stuck? Okay, so price for some reason it's stuck at $81. Um, Already we hit our stop loss, but rather than re-entering, just seeing this trade only. This is a good candle, guys. I can definitely. How much I have traded with? 10, na? I can definitely jump with 10 more coins if it closes in the up direction. So still 2 minutes and three. It's still 3 minutes to go to close this candle. But you can see that this is quite risky trade. I'm squaring off my position, guys, because I cut this position cut cost to cost, because this is literally a selling zone and market is reversing again and again from this zone. I don't want to get trapped like I got trapped like yesterday. So I will definitely wait to for the market to clear this zone. So this is still channel. You can see that this is a seller zone, this is a buyer zone, and market went from here to here, um, almost 21 points. So I don't feel that there's something in the market now. And here you can see that in Ethereum, there is some kind of buyer's presence is there that is preventing market to fall. So does it is happening in the Binance as well. Okay, this is quite a good momentum in up direction. Let's see how it is breaking it. This is a quite good candle that closed. I don't know why I squared off my position, because I'm a little bit worried about this zone. Yeah, it breaked out is the zone perfectly. Now we have to wait for the pullback because this zone is already broken out. Guys, I'm very much interested in selling again. Where is my lot? Where is my money gone, guys? Because the math is not mathing. 81,000 left. Where my is 10, 15,000 have gone? Okay, so it is unable to handle multiple trades, guys. So very unfortunate. But as of now, we can't plan to see things. We have to be a part of game. not to be a spectator, right? So what I'm thinking to short again, but my stop loss looks like that it can reach at this point, and that's fine. So what I will do is I'm selling short, guys, at 89673. Short position is at 89673. So this is my short position. This is my short position. This is my stop loss. Wow. Okay, so guys, what is happening here? As soon as I took the trade, market wants my stop loss only. Huh? Same mistake as yesterday. Um, I'm closing this session for today also because my mindset and psychology is not matching again, and I am unnecessary committing trades. So there are already four trades, and I committed $74 loss. It is not a big loss. It can be easily uh, recover in a single, or it can easily be gain in the single trade only. But I not able to find the good trade, and eventually I'm getting trapped in both the sides. Because as you can see in Binance, I can easily see that there is setup of selling, but as soon as I jump in the selling side, market will definitely uh, put me aside. Definitely, it will going to uh, throw me out. Although like there is a quite good strength Binance. If I go with 50, then I don't know, 902.26 short, 902.26. This is my selling position because I know that market will go in the selling side from here. But as you can see that there is a still uh, trend line over here. It still didn't get your entry is going is always a bit early. At least, yeah, this is quite a good target. But see, this is also approaching again to the stop loss. Although my stop loss is at 1 point, so this is 1 point scalp. So the maximum loss that I can take is $100, and the maximum profit that I will take is $200. So it's 1:2 trade. How much point I have invested here? What is the quantity? 50 quantities. Okay. So 100 points is maximum that I can gain. Wow. क्या क्या देखना पड़ रहा है guys. The maximum points that we can achieve in this 100 points. So my target is 100 points. Although 74% of my target is achieved. It is of 100 points. So we will definitely. I think Bitcoin is also performing great at this point. Yeah. I will not take any loss in this. I will cut to will this. I will end up this at the cost only, because there is no point in taking risk after getting this much of amount of target. There's a pause from this point, so this there might be a buyer also. So I'm okay. 88% of our pausing. 7 more seconds to go. 94, 107. Target is achieved, guys. After so many days, we have achieved some kind of target, guys. 1:2 is our trade. Our final trade was, so our stop loss is at this point, and we have reached the target. So let me. So guys, it's a moment of happiness after long, long, long time. So although like it's only less points, only like 107 points, but the important thing is that we have finally achieved some kind of target as 1:2 at least after long, long time. So yeah, should have jumped in traded in Bitcoin also. Like Bitcoin moved so well, 476 points. So this is the magic of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a crazy amount, gives you crazy amount of money and takes you crazy amount of money also. So it's a both way sword. So two-way sword. But yeah, okay, gold also. Guys, see the behavior of gold. Gold went up, and as you know, that I have drawn some kind of horizontal line at this place that I'm not 100% convinced. So this is the. Turns out that my decision is right. So otherwise, see how long this candle is. Unbelievable. After this, trapped all the buyers and flushed all the buyers in the single candle. Unbelievable, unbelievable movement, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. So please trade cautiously because the market is very ruthless. It will not follow your sentiments. It will not respect your emotions. It will definitely throw you out. So take small stop losses, and if you find that your direction is this one, then you will jump in. And after saying this, I'm just uh, squaring off today's session. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.